Hello everyone, this is Dawn. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm going to share with you today a few of the products that are part of the online exclusives from Stampinup, and they will be available starting Tuesday, November 5th. Okay, so I have a few of the collections. There's going to be a lot more available, so be sure to check that out on the 5th of November. The first collection I want to share is, I need to remember the name here, Utterly Adorable. Okay, so this is the DSP Collection. So we have papers that have lots of cute otters and river scenes. And then the flip side, lots of fish. Very cute. Good for outdoor pictures. I have some zoo pictures that feature otters, so I'll be scrapbooking some of those. Here's some more. These will make nice cards too, really cute. And then the flip side, got some fish and kelp or seaweed. Very cute. Make sure I have them all. And here's another scene. Cute, cute, cute. And the flip side, river rocks. Lots of bright, pretty colors too. Super fun. More otters. And I'll show you in a minute. I got the Stampin die collection that matches up to these as well. So you don't have to get your markers out if you don't want to, and you can just cut those images out. And check that out. Wow, it's pretty. Water. Lots of blue colors, more otters. And the flip side, a good base page for a scrapbook layout. And more seaweed or kelp. And then more water. Super cute. Okay, so now we have the coordinating stamps and dies. So we have this collection, and these are the polymer stamps. And I'll bring this a little closer so you can see them. You're audibly amazing. Love you lots, and we're cute together. We have some fish and other images. And then the coordinating dies are here. So you usually get a few extras. You have rocks and then more fish. These are a little bit bigger than the stamped ones, and fish there as well. And bubbles and more kelp and seaweed and a log. And then these are the coordinating dies here that some of them will cut out some of the printed images that are on the DSP. I see lots of cute cards in my future and a couple of scrapbook layouts. Okay, and then next, this is gold twisted thread. So we have nice skinny thread that would work well for like a embellishment cluster. So you can do a tangle of gold thread, wrap these around cards. That would be very useful. And then this is part of that collection too. It's Riverside Irregular Pearls, and check those out. They're so pretty. The colors are iridescent, and they're, rather than being a rounded pearl, they're flattened, but there is some dimension to them. Nice. Okay. What's next? Let's do this one. And it is the Happy Hibiscus collection or bundle. Okay. So the first thing is the polymer set that has layers of the hibiscus. You can stamp this in one color, and then you can do the detailed lines in another color on top of it for some layered stamping. And a nice art image to do a background with, and leaves. And then we have congratulations, you make me smile, thanks for being so kind. And then we have, this is cool, we've got the hibiscus embossing folder, and then we have the hibiscus die. And I believe this one nestles in this embossing folder, if I can get it detached here, and we'll figure this out on camera. And I think it's going to go right there, and and it you can feel it kind of lock into place. And so this will cut 3 of these hibiscus flowers. Once you run it through, it'll cut these out, and then it embosses them with all of that beautiful detail. So, and I don't know if you can see this on camera, but it'll cut these 3 out. So that'll be fun. And then we've got some other images here that will be very useful, and then various leaf and other plumeria flowers to die cut. So that's going to be fun to work with. And let's see, I got this set. It's Sharing, Loving, Crafting, and it's got lots of great sentiments. And for those of you who go to craft shows and sell your products, we've got the Stampinup logos that part of the angel policy. You should stamp these on the back of your cards if you plan on selling them. So that's a good set for those of you who do that. And it's a polymer set, and it's got all those images in there, but I like these other sentiments. Crafted with you in mind, handcrafted by, happiness inside, just to brighten your day, sharing what I love, loving what I do. Super fun. Okay. And this is a Stampin' Cut and Emboss embossing folder in modern herringbone. So I'll make a nice background. Looks like fabric or knitting, so like that. And more paper. So this is, what's this called? Marbled Elegance. And there's a Valentine collection that's available. I didn't buy the dies or the stamps, but I liked this paper. So we have the side with the roses, and then the flip side. Check that out. Isn't that pretty? It's got gold foiling, and this one is in pinks. And this one has, it's more of a fuchsia and pinks with that gold foiling. And this is the flip side. Look at that. It's really pretty. And this one, it's got more reds. And on the flip, oh my gosh. And it has more splatters of the gold foiling. And this one's in pink, like a sponged sort of look to it. And then the marbled and splattered gold foils. Stripes in red. And then we have fuchsia and red. And wow, look at that. It's so pretty. And then these are little hearts. And the flip side. Love it. Okay. Marbled Elegance. And then there are 2 new kits available. So I got one of them. This one is called, of course I already opened it, so it's called Alpine Air. And so you get a little Stampin' Spot in Misty Moonlight. You get a small stamp set, Let Yourself Dream Big, Hello Friend, Happy Birthday, and Thinking of You. And then you get everything that you need in this kit to create these cards. And of course you can use these supplies to create other things. If you don't want to do cards, you can add them to scrapbook backgrounds and whatnot. So you get your envelopes, you get card bases, and everything that you need to make these cards. And that's everything that I got. So starting November 5th, you can check out the rest that's available, and I appreciate you watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button, and then you'll be able to find all of my videos. And thanks for watching.